I'm going to show you how to install a ring latch. This is a traditional type of latch that is very popular to put on picket gates like this. The tools I need to install my ring latch are a sawhorse, I'll have my safety goggles, a tape measure, pencil, drill driver, a vise and some screws and the ring latch itself. To make it easier to install the ring latch, I'm going to lift the gate off and lean it up against the wall. That stops the gate from moving around as I'm working on it. The first part of the ring latch I'm installing is the front ring part. Before I attach that, I need to drill a hole with my 12mm spade bit for the spindle. That's the operating mechanism of the ring latch. I'll be drilling the hole right into the middle of the picket so the ring latch can be attached to the picket itself. I've put a small pencil mark right into the middle of the picket between the two bars that are there for the ring latch, and I'll drill right in the middle of the picket so I can attach the ring latch to the middle of the picket. There you have your hole for your spindle. Next, with a 4mm drill bit, I'll drill pilot holes to put in the screws that come with a ring latch. These are timber screws and they're black, the same colour as a ring latch. I insert the spindle into the ring latch handle. That allows me to centre it into my hole as I start drilling my pilot holes. With my pilot holes drilled, now I switch to a driver bit into the drill and screw the screws in. Next I'll turn the gate around and do the other side of it. The pin is a certain length because it's made to fit on many different types of gates. The timber frame gates are usually much thicker, so the pin's very long. By inserting that into the slot that it's meant to go in and putting this one, you can see there that the ring latch part doesn't touch the metal. So that distance there is what I need to cut off the pin. Now I've got the measurement that I need to cut the spindle off. I'll be using a hacksaw to cut it to length. Now the spindle's cut. Next thing we install is this part of the ring latch. I'll be using these galvanised screws. They're self-drilling into metal, and you can dab a bit of black paint on them when you're finished to match the rest of the ring latch. By jiggling it around a little bit, you can feel when it's in the middle of the hole, because if it's right at the edge of the hole, as you turn it in a square pin, it will grab the edges of the hole and it will slow the turning of it down. So next I'll be installing the keeper. The keeper keeps the ring latch in a straight line. Before you attach it, make sure that that's quite straight. Just straightening it out a little bit before I put the bottom one on. All working well. Now that we've finished fitting the ring latch, all is left to do is put the latch onto the post and hang the gate. Now 2 screws to fit the catch on. Making sure the arm is all the way down. I find it easiest now to put my weight on the gate, which holds it on, so I don't have to hold it with my hand. So that's the ring latch installed. You can also get it in brass and chrome as well.